Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. On this YouTube channel I help people to raise their vibration and expand their consciousness and to transform your life, because by doing that then you will transform your life, because everything is energy and you attract who you are, or more like who you think you are. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to start looking inward to manifest your desires. Because I think so many people are used to, we are like programmed to look outside of ourselves and to find a way, like overthink maybe, to find the way to our desires and to have thought it all through and to know the future, to have a safe future. But for me, a safe future, I do this because it's not a safe future, it's built on fear, and then we would just create more fear. So it's really much about to go inwards, because it's inwards you find peace, you find joy, you find love, you find unconditional love, because that is who we truly authentically are. And there are so many traumas and old negative energies that are blocking the light and love to shine through us, but it's already in us. It's just blocking us from feeling it. Sometimes we do all these things so we feel worthy, and then we allow ourselves to be happy. But we can be happy all the time and we can feel the love all the time. It's just about allowing ourselves and knowing that we are worthy by just existing. And we are worthy by just being here. There's nothing you need to do to be worthy. There's just a human concept made. That is just something that you were programmed while growing up, through a trauma, like that you are not good enough, you need to prove you're good enough to others to be good enough, and then you can feel like you're good enough on conditions. It's called conditional love, and that is not who we authentically are, and that will not bring us very far in life, not at all. It would just condition us and limit us to our full potential, because we have so much unconditional love, like I say, and we have no limits other than what we say to ourselves and the stories we are telling ourselves, like why we can't do that, and like focusing on our past and letting that define who we are. So when you look outward, the reason why you look outward is because you may be looking for validation that you're good enough, or you're trying to manipulate, control people so you can get the result you want outside of yourself. But that would just make it worse when you try to control it, where you're not in a flow, where you're not letting go. Because it's all about letting go, surrender to your love, to the universe, to God, whatever you might call it. But we are all a part of this source, this energy. We are all energy. We are all one, because we are from the same source, just split up in different consciousness on planet Earth. So how do you go inward? How do you start to feel the unconditional love so you will attract unconditional love in all areas of your life? Because you attract who you are. All the stories you're telling yourself, your beliefs, thoughts, feelings, and actions, those are all together a oneness of your attitude, of your vibration. You attract with your vibration. And you can change your beliefs and then your thoughts, feelings, and actions. But you need to get to the root of the belief and to heal that specific belief. And that takes process, that takes healing. But the first important thing is really to meditate, to go inwards by meditating, and to observe your thoughts, and to not let the thoughts define who you are, and just let them pass by like clouds, and don't let it control how you will feel and act. Just feel the feelings, but don't let it define you. Just observe it, just let it go through you, invite them in, because when we suppress our emotions, it would just get so much worse. It was just bottle up and then just explode. So this is really important to go inward first, because everything starts from the inside to the outside. There's nothing in your life you have manifested or is manifesting that is not coming from inside, because everything is energy and you attract who you are. Positive attracts positive, negative attracts negative. So it attracts like. When you are together with friends or family, whatever it is, that you may feel some you click better with, you are in the same vibe. That's why you can feel like you click together, because you're on the same vibration and you're connecting on that level. So this was the most important thing to know to really manifest your dream life and to start to allow yourself to be happy no matter what. And that you don't need anyone or anything to make you fulfilled, because you already are. And if you want more of videos like this, then remember to subscribe and like and peace for more. That would mean the world to me and help my channel grow. And if you want a guided meditation on how to feel the love you already have inside and to start to heal your traumas, then also do that. So remember to subscribe with the bell so you get updated when I post a new video. And I will post more of this, how to heal, and a guided meditation of how to heal and how to feel fulfilled, so you can attract people that are fulfilled already, confident, loving towards you, just like you're loving towards yourself, because it's all a reflection. So thank you so much for watching, and I send you so much unconditional love, and I'll see you next time.